All right, so people, I know me already going on the earlier news regards to Leon Bailey, and did mention to you guys that Leon Bailey, I'm tentatively, I should say potentially, will be going to the Saudi League. I got that story, and I break that story in a video, maybe probably about a week or 2 weeks now, probably about 2 weeks now. But I'm very sure most of you would have seen that in itself over internet, specifically Twitter, wherever the case may be. But we all know there is a package deal right now as we speak. All right, so welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Another video, another update. We don't know anything already. I've dropped the video them, I've dropped the update them. As always, I don't know anything already. So as you can see down here, Leon Bailey and Tariq McGee. What's up with Tariq McGee, and how does this necessarily link with Leon Bailey? All right, so according to my sources, or my source, well, my specific source, this one give me the information on this specific deal, stated that yes, in fact, they are currently working on a deal for Leon Bailey to join the Saudi League this summer. And you'll be hearing about that very soon, because they want it to happen as fast as possible. Now, I'm not sure if most of you guys would have known now about Leon Bailey's handler, manager, Craig Butler. They're working on this deal. Now, the spin-off to this deal is Tariq McGee. One of the factors surrounding this deal has a lot to do with what is going to happen with Tariq McGee this transfer window. Now, remember that in the January transfer window, when he signed, quote-unquote signed, for Veer Phoenix, the story that was told was that Tariq McGee was going to Europe. Now, as it stands, my source have informed me, that Tariq McGee could possibly go with Leon Bailey to the Saudi League. Now, quote-unquote, one, I don't know the team, which team as yet, that has not been which team they're in discussion with as yet, that has not been that has not been highlighted to me as yet. Also, if Tariq McGee will be going to the same team Bailey. Now, if you know Leon Bailey's handler, tend to kind of say, take this player with this player. Yeah, so you normally cut these sweet deals. Very good, actually good management, I would have to say. And as it stands, Tariq McGee is a part of the Leon Bailey deal for him to move to the Saudi League. Now, that solely depends on if Leon Bailey is willing to make the move or not. So in the event Leon Bailey don't make the move, big question again around what would happen to Tariq McGee. Also, maybe we'll go back to the USL 1, USL 2, USL Championship, wherever the case may be in US. But as it stands at this present moment, it is the buy one get one buy one get one package deal for Tariq McGee alongside Leon Bailey going to the Saudi League. As I said, quote unquote, what does that necessarily mean for player? Y'all understand that when Tariq McGee signed his contract, well, this 6-month short-term contract with Veer Phoenix, ideally Europe was the destination. No, I'm not sure if the relegation and the performance of the team kind of make that a little bit sketchy where club selection is concerned in Europe. I'm not sure, but as I mentioned, as I stated, this is what is happening currently at this present moment. When they call it, when in old time days people say marry things like bun and cheese, Nutribullet and Nutrimilk. Yeah, in some sense. The deal is a married pack, is a package deal where it involves Tariq Magee and Liam Bailey at once. Now, let me tell you people, this is what my sources has informed me. This is a potential thing that might happen in this market. This is not me saying it have to happen, it will happen, and if it not, and if it not happen, whatever you can do to me. No. This is stating that this is the deal that they're working on right now, and tentatively is what they want to proceed with regards to Liam Bailey. For me personally, I do think Liam Bailey has a lot more to offer in top clubs in Europe. If you remember that the Saudi Arabia deal in regards to the ching, it is looking damn good. Money has splashed down there. So why not go down there 1, 2 or 3 seasons and then, can probably come back in Europe. Well, where Liam Bailey is concerned, he's 27 years old. So I'm not sure if I'll probably come back because at age 27, 2 or 3 seasons, you're jumping at 30s. Yeah, so how that go? And as we said, at 27, he still has a lot more to offer at the top flight football in Europe. Now, where Tariq Magee is concerned, if this is going to actually happen, it would be a huge factor for Tariq Magee, especially financially. This is definitely something where you can when you talk about put food on the table, yes, it's going to put food. This is going to put the big boys meal on the table for him. So all his career, him play ball, so probably in understand level of where finances where that is concerned. Solely, I do believe that the agent will strike a proper deal for him. Maybe this is also not a market space is open, that is opening for the agent and for the agent and his manager, and maybe they can exploit it with more players. We don't know. Remember that there was quote unquote a heavy link for Dujan Richards going to the Saudi League, but technically it was told that boy a slavery them. I said no, I'm not gonna go into that. I'll leave that video for next time. But as a son, that is information that I have on my desk right now. That this is the deal that they're working on, getting both players into the Saudi League. You can ask yourself the question, what does that mean for Liam Bailey's future? Also, what does that mean for Tariq Magee's future? Remember, as I said, people would have seen where quite a lot of players gone to the league, performance dip, also some performance rise, but we don't know where that go. Especially where the Reggae Boyz is concerned, we have seen them Mariah Gray gone to the Saudi League, and the performance was down. But hopefully that is maintained. But I have to say, get the bag. Get the bag. Get the darn bag. At the end of the day, footballers' career are very short. If you can get the bag and secure your great grandkids' future from now, that would be tremendous. That's what everyone wants. That's what we all want to do. So you go. But anyways, people, tell me what you're thinking in the comment section. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. As I said, this is what is happening in the transfer market as it stands presently. Big up on the sale, people. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Really want to know. Like, give me up. Let's go for 500 likes. Let's go for 500 likes on this video. Big up on the sale, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Tell me what you think in the comments. Do you think this deal is going to go through? Do you believe that Liam Bailey still has a lot more to offer at the top level? Or do you think that this is an ideal time for him to secure the bag and secure his great grandkids' future? Big up on the sale, people. Smash the like button. Answer them questions. See you guys again. Until next time. Out. God bless. Boom. Outside.